Here's how to update or refresh your Google account backup codes in just a few easy steps. Start by opening a browser on your phone or computer and go to myaccount.google.com. Make sure you're signed in to the Google account you want to update backup codes for. On the Google account homepage, choose Security from the menu. Scroll down until you find the section called Signing In to Google. Now, tap Two-Step Verification. Google may ask you to enter your password again. This is normal for security. Once you're in, scroll down until you see Backup Codes. Tap Show Codes to view your current backup codes. If you've already used some of them or want brand new codes, simply tap Get New Codes. Google will instantly generate 10 fresh one-time use backup codes. You can download them, print them, or take a screenshot, but make sure to store the codes somewhere safe, like a password manager. Each code can be used only once, so plan to update them every time you run out. If you want to be sure everything works correctly, log out on one device and test signing in using one of your new backup codes. And that's it. Your Google backup codes are now updated and ready to use.